we are texting right now. We are getting ready to take off from Cleveland-Hopkins. I will have this video posted to both my YouTube channel and Facebook and Instagram, all the good places right here. You can see a Frontier plane taxiing right here. And we are turning on to runway 24 left.
South of Germany by an hour. I know she is. She lives about an hour south of Frankfurt. So I know the name. I don't know how to pronounce the name.
There's a Frontier E190. No. Frontier Airbus A320. Here's the Airbus. I mostly know that because Airbus only has one type of aircraft. We're waiting in line to take off, which is not unusual. Let's see, we had a lengthy, well, I wouldn't even say lengthy.
Americans doing for some of their flights, they're charging the same amount and they're putting people on a bus.
Yep. Basically what American Air is doing now is that they're, like you said, charging people the full fare for economy or economy plus, depending on the class, and putting them on buses and marking the buses as American Eagle or American, and traveling from, like, say, Philadelphia to Allentown, or Philadelphia to Pittsburgh, or Philadelphia to somewhere in New York. And they will tell you like an hour or 2 hours for plane, but they don't tell you for bus. You won't even know you're on a bus until they put you on the bus. Yep.
Yeah.
And they
bus picks you up at the airport.
At the gate. Like you go into jet bridge, like you're going into a plane, but instead of going onto a plane, you go down the stairs into a bus. Here we go.
And Americans been trying to save money any way they can on an almost ridiculous level.
American Airlines is hemorrhaging money.
They're what?
They're hemorrhaging money.
They're hemorrhaging money. Like they're losing. Yeah, they're losing so much. They've actually
Rotate.
There's been stories of them walking out the
climb.
With like full-on straps and everything. It's just been ridiculous.
Essentially, they're just tour buses that they put people on.
Yeah.
They have Wi-Fi and they give people food, but they're just buses.
Oh yeah, except they don't have bathrooms.
Yeah, no bathrooms.
So potentially 6-hour bus ride.
They stop at gas stations, like Greyhound does. But that's about it.
Yeah, they're probably gonna get sued by Greyhound though.
Because they're in direct competition.
They're allowed to be competition. Why would Greyhound sue? Because I don't think they entered into the fact mentioning that they were going to go into this, so they just did it to try and save money.
And they didn't license their bus line as a bus line. Yeah.
That's what I was going to ask.
Yeah. They didn't license it as a bus line. They licensed Greyhound. I'm sorry. They licensed American Airlines, their bus subsidiary, as part of their airline.
It just doesn't seem right.
Not because you're paying $600 for a bus trip.
Seatbelt sign will be turned off shortly. We do, however, encourage you to wear your